So I need to create something on the computer to hold some information for my job. It needs to hold the contact info for each employee and all of the projects they are assigned. I'm not sure how to do this. How do I put information from each part together so I can find it?
Well, it sounds like you need to create a database. A database is an organized collection of data ideal for storing and retrieving information.
Which means...
It's a bunch of tables that hold all of your information, but they are linked, so you don't get a lot of duplicate data. This makes it easier to find your information later because you can do a search for the data you want instead of seeing everything at once.
Okay, you convinced me. I need one of those database things. But how am I supposed to make one of them? It sounds really difficult.
Actually, the most difficult part is figuring out where the data needs to go. But you can make this step a lot easier by creating a diagram beforehand.
What kind of diagram are we talking about?
I would recommend an ERD, that is, an entity relationship diagram. It separates the information you need for each table and shows how the tables link together. I like it because it's a great way to see the overall design of a database.
Sounds good. Where do we start?
Well, first you need to know some basic terminology used by professionals when they are talking about databases and diagrams. Some of the common terms used are entities, attributes, relationships, and cardinality.
Cardinality? I thought that was a baseball team. You're going to have to explain those a little bit more.
I will, but first let's figure out all of the things I need to teach you. Before we start working on your database for work, I am going to walk you through a similar database for education. I will explain what an ER diagram is, as well as the parts and purpose of it. I will also explain how you can apply business rules in the design of an ER diagram. Then we will go back and apply this new knowledge to your business situation.
I guess I should pay attention.
To start off, an entity relationship diagram, or ERD, is a graphical representation of the data requirements for a database.
Meaning?
Meaning that it takes all of the parts of a database and puts them in a box and line form. There are 5 major parts to an ERD: entities, attributes, primary keys, relationships, and cardinality.
Yeah, I think you mentioned those.
Those parts will be used to create the ERD.